Here's a diagram of a centrifugal compressor engine. It's a single spool, air coming in at the left via compressor, being ignited in the centre, driving a turbine at the rear with jet efflux beyond that. An axial compressor looks similar, but in this diagram shows multiple stages for the compressor, and the turbine driving the compressor will rotate at the same speed as the compressor. Twin spool engine has essentially two compressor turbine arrangements, but one of the arrangements, the spool of the shaft sits inside the other one concentrically, so they can rotate around each other. A bypass engine permits some of the cold airflow to go outside of the engine core, hence the name bypass. This, at the rear of the engine, as part of the jet efflux, combines with the hot air core, providing extra thrust. Front fan engines have big fans at the front, and that's typically what most engine designs look like now. There's also an aft-fan engine arrangement possible. If we look at the RB211, this employs a 3-shaft architecture, giving the engine fewer stages, giving a shorter, stiffer structure. This technology also allows the rotors to run to their optimum speeds, thereby reducing the need for compressor variable guide vanes. And here's a diagram of one of the latest engines out there, the Royce Trent 1000 fan.